I built something that posts on my Instagram for me. I don't even open the app anymore, but my account is more active than ever. And no, this is not scheduling. This is something way more powerful. Now let me ask you something honestly. How many times have you decided that from today I'll post daily on Instagram? Day 1 you post, day 2 you post, day 3 still going strong, and then suddenly you get busy, you feel tired, or you just don't feel like posting. And that's exactly why most Instagram accounts don't grow. So why you are forcing yourself to post daily? What if I remove you completely from this process? What if captions are generating automatically, images are created automatically, and without you doing anything manually, daily consistent posting is going to be uploaded on your Instagram channel? Sounds powerful? So yes, this is what exactly we are going to build today. And for building this amazing automation, the tool we are going to use is Pabbly Connect. So without wasting any time, let's start building this workflow step by step. At first, open a new tab and search pabbly.com/connect. So this is the official page of Pabbly Connect. Pabbly Connect is an all-in-one automation tool that helps you to automate and integrate multiple applications without writing a single line of code. In this page, on the right-hand side, you will see two options, sign in and sign up free. If you are new to Pabbly, then you will click on sign up free option and get 100 free tasks every month to explore the software. If you are an existing user just like me, then click on the sign in option. After that, you will see all Pabbly apps. Here you have to go in this Pabbly Connect by clicking on this Access Now button. And it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here you can create and manage all of your automation workflows in one place. As we are creating a new workflow, so I will click on this plus create workflow button. After that, I'm creating the workflow from scratch, so I am clicking on it. Next, I'm selecting the workflow builder as new beta. After that, I'm entering the workflow name as why your Instagram posting strategy fails. Fix it with automation. Next, the folder I'm going to select is Pabbly Connect. After that, I will click on this create button and see the workflow is created successfully. Now, this right here is the most important step of doing any automation, name as trigger. Trigger says when this happens. This is the first application you have to select for creating your workflow. In simple terms, it means when should the automation start. So here I am going to select my trigger application as scheduled by Pabbly because we have to do the regular posting. And next I am selecting the app event as schedule workflow. After that, I will click on this connect button. After that, it will ask me to select that how often you want to run your workflows. So I want to run my workflow every day. After that, the timing I am going to select as 6 p.m. because I want to upload a post on my Instagram account at 6 p.m. every day. That's why I have selected the timing is this. Next, I will click on the save button and you will see I received the positive response. That is the workflow is going to be run on every day and the timing. So the setup of this application is completed. Now I am moving forward to my next application, that is action. Actions are the next tasks that are going to run after the trigger. Now for selecting the action application, you have to click on the plus option. After that, I am selecting my next application as Gemini because I want to generate a caption. After selecting the application, the app event I'm going to select as generate content. Next, I will click on this connect button and see it will provide me two options, name as select existing connection and add new connection. If you have an existing connection, then you will select this option. Here I'm going to make a new connection, so I will click on this add new connection. Next, it will ask me to enter the API key. So for getting this API key, I am going to take you to my Google AI Studio. See, this is the Google AI Studio page. Here you have to click on this get API keys button. After that, you have to click on this create API key and next you have to give the name to your API key. After that, select the project that I'm going to select as my first project. After that, you have to click on this create key button and here you got your API key. So copy it from here and paste it in this field. And I want you to know that for getting this API key, your Google AI Studio account is need to be paid. After pasting the API key, you just have to click on the save button. And this is how easily you can connect your Pabbly Connect account with Google Gemini. After that, in this text field, I am going to enter the prompt that I want to give to the Gemini for generating a caption. So I am entering it. See, here I have entered. I entered this prompt by my choice, but you can enter it completely based on your own account or business or what kind of post you want to send. You can customize it by your own choice. And next, the model I'm going to select as models Gemini 2.5 Flash. After that, in this methods drop down, I'm going to select as generate content. Next, the response format with 2 quick options, name as simple and advanced. If you want to receive a response in simple format, then you will select this option. If you want to receive a response in advanced format, just like a flat and key value, structure, data, or an array, then you will select this option. Here I am selecting the response format as simple. After that, I will click on the save and send test request button, and you will see I received the positive response and one amazing AI generated caption. See, this is how interesting it is. With the help of this prompt, every time a new caption is generated by using this step. So if you like it till now and you want to do the same, then go and purchase Pabbly tool by using my coupon code MEHYT and get an exclusive discount on both yearly and lifetime Pabbly plans. This tool is really very helpful for you. Trust me, you won't regret it after purchasing it. And don't forget to use my coupon code. It is exclusively for my viewers. Here, as we have successfully generated the caption, so this means that the step is working perfectly. I am clicking on the save button, and I want you to know that you don't have to click on the save and send test request button manually. You just have to click on the save button and the automation will occur automatically. Now I am moving forward to the next application, that is the same, means Google AI Studio, because in this time I want to generate an image that I want to post. So for that, I'm again selecting the application as Google AI Studio Gemini. After that, the app event I'm going to select as generate and added images nano banana. Next, I will click on this connect button, and again it will ask me the same thing. So this time I am selecting the connection as existing. After that, I'm clicking on the save button, and my Google Gemini account is going to be connected with my Pabbly Connect account. After that, the model I'm going to select as Nano Banana Pro. It is used for generating an image. After that, the methods I'm going to select as generate content. After that, I am entering the prompt in this field for generating image. Here I have entered. Now in front of this caption, I am going to do the mapping of the caption that we have generated in the previous application, that is this. So to do the mapping, you just have to enter the slash on the field, and the previous application is visible in front of you. Once you click on it, you will see all the received responses. So here in front of this caption field, I am going to do the mapping of the caption that we have generated recently. Now what is mapping? So mapping is the most important step in automation, as it makes data dynamic completely based on the new inputs. In simple terms, every time when this flow is triggered, then automatically a new caption is generated and a new post is created with the help of this mapping. In simple words, mapping makes data dynamic. With the help of this, automatically the data will change. After that, you can upload the file URL if you want to. Here I am not uploading. Next, I will click on the save and send test request button. Here you have to wait for a few seconds. See, I have received the positive response and the file URL. So I am copying it and opening it in a new tab. See, this is the image that we have generated with the help of this prompt. So this is how it works. As the image is successfully generated for posting, now I am moving forward to the next application, that is file uploader. With the help of this file uploader, we are going to get the file URL. So for that, I'm selecting the app event as upload file and get URL. After that, I will click on this connect button. Here I am mapping the file URL. After that, I'm entering the file name in this field as new post. Next, I will click on the save and send test request button, and you will see I received the positive response and the file URL. I have used this file uploader by Pabbly because the file URL we have received from the previous application is private and we need to make it public. That's why I have used this file uploader here, as we have received the positive response. But you also know that the maximum file size allows for uploads is 20 MB. You can upload files in the following formats. Moving forward, now we are going to do the posting on Instagram. So for that, I'm selecting my next application as Instagram for businesses. After that, the app which I'm going to select as create and publish photo. Next, I will click on this connect button, and I'm making a new connection. So I'm selecting this option. After that, I'm clicking on this connect with Instagram for business. business. Here my account is already logged in, so I am clicking on this continue button, and you will see this is how easily you can connect your Instagram account with your Pabbly Connect account. After that, you have to select your Instagram account from here. That I'm going to select this Michael Angel. See, this is the account that I'm using right now, Michael Angel. After selecting the account, I'm going to do the mapping of the photo URL in this field. So for that, I'm again entering the slash on the field and going to upload the file URL that we have received from this application, that is file uploader by Pabbly. Here I have mapped, and in this caption field I'm going to do the mapping from this Google AI Studio Gemini, where we have generate the content. Here I have mapped. Next I will click on the save and send test request button. Until this gets completed, you have to make sure that the image to be posted can be actual file or the public URL. That's why we have mapped the public URL that we were received from the file uploader by Pabbly, and the maximum image size is 80 MB and aspect ratio falls within 4:5 to 1.91 ratio range. See, we have received the positive response, that is the status as success. Now I am going to show you my Instagram account by refreshing it. See, automatically a new post is created into our Instagram account. See, this is the exact same post that we have generated, and it includes the caption too. So this is how it works. As a new post is successfully created in our Instagram account, this means that our step is working perfectly and our workflow is completed. If you face some difficulties or you have any questions while doing the setup of this amazing workflow, then feel free to ask us in the comment section. I have also shared the link of this workflow in the description below. You can check it out. With the help of this workflow, every time at 6 p.m. a new post is going to be uploaded on your Instagram channel. So this is the magic of Pabbly Connect. So what are you waiting for? Go and try this amazing workflow for your own business too. I have also shared the link of this workflow in the description below. You can check it out. Lastly, a quick reminder about the coupon code MEHYT. Don't forget it while purchasing the Pabbly subscription and grab an exclusive offer. So this is all for today. I'll see you in the next video. So not only this, you can do multiple integration of many applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubts, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Connect, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/connect #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.